And it goes a little something like.
Good morning and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ashley and I'm so happy to have you here with me today. Today I'm doing a day in my life as an esthetician, but this one is exciting because I just got, where's my phone? Hold on. Where is, well, I just got kind of like a brief, where the heck is my phone? Hold on. Okay, I found it. I just got some quotes on what our outdoor sign is going to look like, which I'm so excited about. That'll be good. Let's see. Yeah, basically it'll look like, I'll put a picture on the screen because I don't want to show like the quote, but it'll be like that, and I'm so excited because it's just coming together. And today I'm really booked, so I was like, you know what, let's film. I have a bikini, Brazilian, facial, brow waxes, I have a lot, so a lot to set up for, and then we'll see if there's any updates in the salon. I think it's supposed to be done around September like 15th, so we'll have to see. But I'm so excited. Today will be a good day. But first I'm gonna eat some breakfast. I'm not even in my scrubs yet. Bentley is going to the bathroom. Okay, wait, before I even make breakfast, they said construction starts today, floors by next week, and paint by the end of next week. So he thinks it'll be like basically done by next week. Oh my god. And then we'll have to install everything, chandeliers, curtain rods, and all that good stuff. But oh my god, that's exciting. So don't mind, this is a mosquito bite. Be careful when you itch mosquito bites on your neck because apparently it's sensitive right there, so that's good. I'm gonna make some coffee, and I've been drinking this one lately because Starbucks has been MIA. And then I put mostly this in because it's way less calories than this, but I do a little splash of this to be a little, just a little extra caramely. But yeah, let me make this right now. I'm out of ice. It'd be like that. That's fine. Okay guys, so I am currently driving to work. Are you a little wobbly? Hold on, let's see if I can do this. I'm currently driving to my studio, and I'm so excited because I think, did I say this in the last clip? I don't even know. They are doing like the construction today, so I think what that means, that's like how he worded it. I think they're covering up the, like there's like a hole in the wall that we're getting rid of, so I think they're covering that. And then hold on, there's a cop. They're covering that hole, and then I think they're doing the flooring and the painting, so it'll look so good. I'm so excited. But yeah, I'm on my way to work right now, and then yeah. Okay, so I just finished my bikini. I kind of like got here and I just like rushed and did it really quick. Cause like I didn't have time to show you guys like me setting up. I was just throwing it on there. But I'm gonna clean this now. I have them sit on this like paper, which I really am still so interested in trying like a vinyl sheet or something, because they're supposed to be like way better. You don't use paper. So I might look into doing that. But yeah, Let me clean this. And then I will set up for my facial, but then I'm gonna go home and eat some lunch because I don't have that until 3 and it's 12:49. So let me clean up. Set up my laundry yet, or I can't set up my facial bed yet because everything is getting washed right now at my apartment. So not only am I gonna get lunch, but I have to go and pick up my laundry too so that I could bring it here and set up the bed. So I'm just gonna like leave this for now and then I'll come back. Shall we go see if there's any changes from not looking like it. So far, they closed up this wall and then, yeah, took off the, whatever that's called. And I think they did electrical, but yeah, it's looking good so far. Awesome. Okay, I'm gonna get out of here. It's just, I wanted to say, thank God they've done stuff. Okay, so I just put Bentley in his crate, locked that. I don't know if I should go to TJ Maxx. Oh my God, I'm like looking at my thing. I keep getting these in my neck. I don't know if I should go to TJ Maxx or to Target because TJ Maxx is a little out of the way. But maybe if I go, hold on, I'm gonna put you guys. Wait, put it right here. Maybe if I go to the one in Wheaton. Hold on. The one by my mom's house is too far to my salon. Hold on. Oh my God, that was so funny. I'm gonna keep that in. He literally, so the maintenance guy came because our closet is broken and he's knocking on the door and I'm like, oh my God. I was like, okay, I'm leaving though. I was like, I have to go to work, so, but no, our closet's been broken. It's so hot in here. Our, like our pantry closet has been broken since literally we moved in and we just got around to fixing it. So yeah, he walked in, he's really nice. I was just like, oh, when the door knocked, I was like, oh my God, who's here? I was like, who's knocking on the door? Anyways, so back to my looking at the maps because I don't know what's closer. Well, you guys will see what I do in a second because I will show you. But I bought some lashes for tomorrow's wedding. Oh my God, it's so bright. My face is like red. And then these candles, these Hearth and Hand candles were $2.99 each. So I got 2. I got Coastal Sage, which smells. So yeah, I'm gonna go to my salon now. I'm done stalking. I probably should stop. Candles. So they were, I don't know if you can see, they were $2.99. What? And these are like the, whatever it's called. I can't think right now. The Earth in Hand. So I'm gonna light these up. If I can get this out. I got the candles. lit. And then I'm gonna set up for my brow wax. I just did one and I cleaned this. Alexa, stop. I always put a black towel down when I'm doing a Brazilian. Wait, let me put some paper first. I put the black towel down so that when I walk in, nobody can see anything, just in case. And then I give them a wipe, just in case they're coming from like work or something and they feel a little stinky. You never know. I always appreciate a wipe. So I get the Summer's Eve ones, and they're like the single individually wrapped. And I just put one like that on the towel, and then I tell them like when you come in, just wipe yourself, cover yourself with a towel. And then this is a Brazilian slash brow wax, so she will do the Brazilian first, get that paint over with, and then we'll do her brow wax. Now I'm just waiting for her to come. And then let me put in here Brazilian, and then, where is it? Brow wax and tint, and I think that's it. So yeah, now I'll wait for her to come. Okay, does anybody do this? I'm gonna see how it is. I put a candle in here because, hold on. I put a candle in here because I was going to scrape the wax out and see if it worked. Does anybody do that? Because this candle is so cute. Hold on, let me try. Oh, jeez. It's been a day, guys. Okay. I'm not really sure how to do this. Okay, what? Hold on. I'm not sure what's keeping it in there. Hold on. Stay tuned. We are getting this. Right here. Oh, no. Don't crack. Don't. Okay. Beautiful. Cleaned out. That worked out. It's just such a cute jar. Like, look how cute this jar is. I'm gonna keep it. Alright, perfect.
I'm getting coffee.
Write the order, or show them the order.
I'm getting coffee. No, I spelled it wrong.
Oh, no. We'll see if it's good, though.
No, just do it on this, because it's in the comments here.
What'd you spell wrong? I think you spelled it right.
No, I think you spelled caramel wrong. Yeah, I did.
Oh,
there's an A. There's not an
A. This one?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna put in the video. We're gonna try this. And then, oh, someone posts like other things too.
Ooh.
1 pump of brown sugar. Okay, let's try.